Hi, my dear unconventionals. This episode actually was not planned, but I recently ended up watching a series that left my heart so full that I had to talk to you guys about it. I'm sure most of you must have seen it by now, but because it's recent, I won't discuss the plot, so don't worry, there are no spoilers in this. So, I'll make this a quick one and more like my Dear Diary moment with you all. There are some stories, that leave you crying, some leave you shocked, some make you think for days, but then there are those rare stories that simply leave your heart full, warm, and fuzzy. Not because they answered every question or gave you the perfect ending, but because somewhere between the conversations, the pauses, the smiles, and the silences, they reminded you that life is still beautiful. Netflix's Musafir Cafe was that story for me. When I finished watching it, I didn't immediately open Instagram or message someone saying, You have to watch this. I just sat there. और मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ऐसा बहुत कम होता है. यूजुअली जब एक सीरीज एंड होती है वी आर ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, हार्डली अलाउइंग आवरसेल्व्स टू स्टे विद व्हाट वी जस्ट एक्सपीरियंस्ड. Of course, those kind of series also come to you very rarely. But this time, I didn't want another story. I wanted to remain in this one for a little longer. The more I thought about it, the more I realized that what touched me the most wasn't the plot. It wasn't a twist or a dramatic moment. It was the feeling the series left behind. एक अजीब सी सुकून की फीलिंग, वो पहाड़ों वाली फीलिंग. ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मीनिंगफुल होने के लिए लाइफ का एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. You know, guys, we are living in a time where every film wants to be bigger, every series wants to be louder, and every story wants that one viral moment everyone talks about. हम इतने यूज टू हो चुके हैं इंटेंसिटी के कि कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि अगर कोई स्टोरी हमें शॉक नहीं करती तो शायद वो इम्पैक्टफुल भी नहीं है. बट मुसाफिर कैफे shows you that some stories don't need to raise their voice. They just whisper. And strangely enough, those whispers stay with us much longer than the loudest screams. You know, what I loved most was how beautifully it celebrated an ordinary life. We spend so much of our lives waiting for the next big milestone. The dream job, the perfect relationship, the promotion, the breakthrough. We keep telling ourselves, बस ये हो जाए, फिर life शुरू हो जाएगी. But what if life has been happening all along? In conversations over coffee, in train journeys, in meeting people who change you without even realizing it, in quiet afternoons where nothing extraordinary happens, yet everything feels meaningful. Musafir Cafe made me appreciate those moments once again. You know, guys, as I've mentioned before also, एक कहानी किसी एक के नज़रिए से सुनाई जाती है. So naturally हमें कोई एक अच्छा या कोई बुरा दिखता है, right? But the best part about this one was कि इस कहानी में आपको कोई भी गलत नहीं लगेगा. Everyone is behind what's best for them without blaming the other person. और ये एक बहुत बहुत ही प्यारी लव स्टोरी है between the characters and their dreams. That's why when the credits rolled, I didn't want to say goodbye to the characters. I just stared at the screen, hoping that it will again say next episode. And hopefully, जब आप भी ये series देखोगे, you will get the same feeling. Anyway, the silence of that wait makes you think, when did we become so impatient with life? We want instant replies, instant love, instant healing, instant clarity. हम हर चीज़ का आंसर अभी चाहते हैं. But life has never really worked that way. Some journeys take time. Some people enter our lives for a reason. Some people enter our lives for a season, but completely change our lives forever. Some answers arrive much later than we expect. And maybe that's okay. Hopefully, iska season 2 bhi hoga, because some stories simply make you softer. They make you notice the beauty that was always there, hidden in plain sight. If anyone from the cast, the writers, the director, or the entire team behind Musafir Cafe ever happens to watch this, wishful thinking, I know. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for believing that audiences still have the patience for gentle storytelling. Thank you for creating something that didn't try to compete with the noise. Thank you for reminding us that kindness, warmth, and simplicity can still leave a lasting impact. And to everyone watching this right now, I'm not here, guys, to convince you that you love this series. आर्ट इज़ फेयरली पर्सनल. शायद आप इससे कनेक्ट करोगे, शायद आप इससे कनेक्ट नहीं करोगे. आई वॉज जस्ट हियर टू शेयर अ फीलिंग विद यू ऑल. लेकिन अगर इन दिनों आपको लाइफ ज़्यादा लाउड लग रही है या यू आर रशिंग फ्रॉम वन गोल टू द नेक्स्ट, or if you've forgotten what it feels like to simply pause, then maybe this story will sit beside you for a while. So, अगर आपने ये सीरीज़ देख ली है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ how you felt about it, and if you intend on watching it, please watch it and then come back here and leave in your comments. The most unforgettable stories aren't the ones that completely change our lives. They are actually the ones that quietly remind us who we are beneath all the rushing, the chasing, and worrying. Isliye, I guess Musafir Cafe left my heart so full with joy, with gratitude, and a yearning for more stories that make us slow down and simply feel. तो अगर आपने ये कहानी नहीं देखी है तो आप जाके देखो, and I'll wait for you right here. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. I'll see you in the next conversation, guys. Take care. See you.